Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a thrilling topic that has captured the imagination of many: the zombie apocalypse. While it might sound like pure fiction, exploring this scenario can actually teach us valuable lessons about preparedness, community, and resilience. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump right in. Imagine waking up one day to find that the world as you know it has changed overnight. The streets are eerily quiet, and the news is filled with reports of strange occurrences. It's a scenario that's been depicted in countless movies and shows. But what if it were real? Well, we hope it never happens. Thinking through how we would respond can be both fun and enlightening. First, let's talk about survival. In a zombie apocalypse, the basics become crucial. Food, water, and shelter are your top priorities. It's essential to have a plan in place. Stocking up on non-perishable food items, learning how to purify water, and identifying safe places to stay can make a significant difference. But remember, it's not just about individual survival. It's about community. Building strong relationships with your neighbors and friends can create a support network that's invaluable in tough times. Next, let's consider the importance of skills. In a world turned upside down, practical skills can be your best asset. Whether it's first aid, gardening, or even self-defense, having a diverse skill set can empower you and those around you. Plus, learning these skills can be a fun and engaging way to bond with others. Why not start a community workshop? You might be surprised at how many people are eager to join in. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about mental resilience. The idea of a zombie apocalypse can be frightening, but it also highlights the importance of staying calm and focused in crises. Practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques can help you maintain clarity when faced with challenges. Remember, it's okay to feel scared or uncertain. What matters is how you respond to those feelings. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the lessons we can take from this imaginative scenario. While the thought of a zombie apocalypse may seem far-fetched, it encourages us to think about our preparedness, the strength of our communities, and the skills we can develop. It's a reminder that, no matter the challenge, we have the power to adapt and overcome. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this exploration of the zombie apocalypse and want to see more engaging content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What skills do you think are essential for survival? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.